We'll combine like terms in this exercise. We have 5 and 2/11ths A minus 3 and 1/5 A. And to combine like terms, we'll be combining 5 and 2/11ths minus 3 and 1/5. This will be the new coefficient of A when we combine those terms. Now, to do this subtraction, I need to have the two fraction parts of the mixed numerals over the same denominator. And the least common denominator is going to be the product of the two denominators. They're both prime numbers, so that it will be the product of 11 and 5, or 55. So I want to write each of these fractions with a denominator of 55. To do that, in the first fraction, I would multiply it by 1 in the form of 5 over 5. So 2 times 5 is 10, and 11 times 5 is 55. In the second mixed numeral, I want it to multiply the fraction part by 1 in the form of 11 over 11. So I'll have 3, and 1 times 11 is 11, and 5 times 11 is 55. And that's going to be the coefficient of A. Now I want to subtract, now that I have a common denominator, but I can't subtract 11 55ths from 10 55ths. So I'm going to have to borrow from the 5. That will leave me with a 4. I'm borrowing 55 55ths and adding them to these 10, which gives me 65 55ths. And I'm subtracting 3 and 11 55ths. And that's multiplied times A. And now let's subtract the fraction parts. 65 minus 11 is 54. So I have 54 over 55 for the fraction part. 4 minus 3 is 1, so I have 1, and this is the coefficient of A. So the result is 1 and 54 55ths A.